We just got a massive announcement the other day in regards to HBAR. Here from the HBAR Foundation, they announced that Shane Higdon, the CEO, is stepping down from his position effective August 31st, 2024. The foundation senior leadership team will continue to manage day-to-day operations, ensuring that all ongoing initiatives remain on track. The HBAR Foundation remains committed to continuous evolution, progress, and ongoing support of the Hedera ecosystem. So there was like some rumblings in the community and like some dissatisfaction. I think it's mostly been because of the price action, but we'll go through a few more tweets about this, going mostly over HBAR today. But I also want to show you the broader market really quick. The stock market's doing well today, but I found this interesting fractal on Bitcoin. So if we go to the daily, we'll get right back to HBAR after this, guys, and we look at this time frame over here of last summer, right? We had a really choppy time last summer, and we've had a really choppy time this summer. But I took this fractal from right here on the daily chart, and I condensed it down over here to the 4-hour, because I thought that this looked oddly similar, right? We have this crash, and then we get this fake out back up, right back down. Now we're kind of consolidating. I wouldn't be surprised if this continues to kind of follow, make a lower low, and then we start to work our way out of here. Obviously, this thing can break at any time, but I thought it was interesting. I thought it looked really similar, so we'll see if this continues to play out. If we come over to the HBAR chart as well, let's take a look. So HBAR on the weekly, obviously not where we want to be, right? We've been getting wrecked since that big news announcement and pump back in April up to like 20 cents. It's just been getting nuked from there. So we came down, we touched this trend line support again. I still think this has been one massive accumulation schematic. And eventually we're going to get this thing breaking back out and breaking into new highs. Obviously, I'm very bullish on HBAR. It's my one of my two holdings, right? I just hold XRP and HBAR. XRP is my number one, HBAR is my number two. But I believe in the tech of HBAR. I believe in the partnerships they have. Their governing council is so stacked with big players. And then if we come over here to Mason Versus, he says, why do I have thousands of dollars of HBAR? Check out this graphic. Thank you, Adrian KBL, for this. So credits to him. But this is a wonderful graphic posted. So if you want to pause and just read through this, yeah, just lots of good information. Something that, again, like a lot of people just don't seem to understand utility coins. They think that it's stupid because the price action's been bad. When we get graphics like this, I think that this can really help, spread the knowledge and spread the awareness for these tokens. At the end of the day, it doesn't help me or hurt me if other people invest in this project or not. I'm banking on the utility of these projects playing out. So whether you buy it or not, I do not care. It doesn't affect me. That's what it's so weird when I see people in the comments like, oh, paid shill for XRP. Like, bro, are you out of your mind? You think they're paying me to shill XRP? Like, and they get so mad too. Like, one, you buying it is not going to affect the price of it. Doesn't change my life at all. Like, this thing's what, $30 billion market cap. Like, you aren't going to impact the price. This channel, any channel on YouTube. Two, if you're frustrated with the price of XRP, so am I. I'm holding it just like everyone else. So it's so funny, man, when I tell people about XRP, or somebody that I know buys it and they're texting me, oh, XRP's down, what's going on? I'm like, dude, I don't know. I'm holding it the same way you are. I have way more skin in the game than you do. So, like, what are you asking me for? Like, my money's where my mouth is. I'm holding it because I believe in it. So, I don't know. Little rant right there, little tangent, but we'll continue. Here from Hedera. The Hedera network has officially processed over 60 billion mainnet transactions since its launch. No big deal, guys, right? Just the most in all of crypto by far, but no one seems to care. A lot of people just continue to ignore it. So as always, a huge thank you to our incredible, ever-growing community of enterprise developers and users who have made this momentous achievement into a reality. Waiting for that 100 billion transaction mark. That'll be sick. Okay, so now we have a few people commenting on the news of the CEO stepping down. From Nick, very good decision from the Hedera Foundation side. They're finally listening to the community. Dare I say, let HBAR breathe. For Mason, breaking, HBAR Foundation CEO steps down from his position. Just repeating the news. But yeah, he says here, I know as much as you do, can only speculate. So Permabull ex-CEO has been given the boot. HBAR community came out making noise and we were heard. Shout out to all those who stood their ground, kept it going. It was never FUD. We just wanted change. So yep, there it is. Here from Dr. Magic. Accumulating HBAR at these prices is going to be highly rewarded in the next months. Bullish on HBAR. Showing HBAR versus the total crypto market cap, reaching this kind of critical support level. Our RSI is down at really oversold territories. Looking for a bounce here. Then we have a bit of a negative chart here from Part-Time Trader. I like to show both sides, right? Because anything's possible in this space. Obviously, I'm bullish and I hold a lot. And like it's one of my two bags. But he has a trend line drawn here. Says that we broke down, retested, and now we're pushing down and we're going to go lower. He thinks we could hit as low as like 1 cent back to these lows. So we'll have to see. Anything's possible. Like I always say, time will always tell. But I don't bet on this happening. But if it does, hey, more time to accumulate, more time to make money and, you know, invest in the market. Moving over to some XRP news. Ripple was out at WebEx Asia and they took the stage, and then they were honored to have SBI Holding CEO and chairman there, stopping by the Ripple booth. And Chad Steingraber here commented, oh, the CEO of almost every bank in Japan. Sounds like not a big deal, SBI and Ripple. So, yeah, just another connection. We know they're all there, but people just don't seem to get it. Here from Ominix, XRP will quickly go above $10 and then above 50. There is nothing you can do about it. I hope you're right, man. I think that's ultra optimistic, but hey, if you're right, I will not be complaining. $50 sounds great to me. And then here from some more general market stuff, just where we're at with Bitcoin and the rest of the market, because it's kind of dependent on whether Bitcoin's going to break out here or not. 2023 versus 2024, same structure, sequence a year apart, final shakeout before the impulse higher, time to pay attention, showing how, you know, we had a really long, boring summer, and we are just waiting for that, you know, that correction, the sideways consolidation to end, and for us to get that next impulse out over these highs and break out, move into the euphoria phase of the market, get an alt season. Here from Elja, Bitcoin Wyckoff accumulation, reaccumulation, I guess. Price capitulation has happened. Now accumulate, sit back, and relax. How he thinks that we are here, we had our spring, and we are about to push out of here. From CRG, Bitcoin August, September 2023 after summer of chop. The bearish sentiment was ripe as it is now. Q4 begins next week. Time to lock in. So he thinks we are about right here, which is again what I said as well. I thought we were about in that area as well with that fractal that I showed at the beginning of the video. So that's funny. I just looked at this and saw that he was pointing to the same thing. Finally, here from Tech Dev, expectation, it's just going to go up slowly over time. Reality, it's really, really trash for a while, and then everything happens all at once. Same with many things in life, right? You might not see progress for a long period of time, and then all of a sudden everything just starts snowballing, and it all comes at the same time. When it rains, it pours, right? That's what they say. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.